What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make a full-time income on Amazon FBA. Now, a lot of people don't understand exactly what Amazon FBA is. They think, is this just like eBay? I've done eBay and I couldn't make a full-time income. It was too much work. Amazon FBA is completely different. Here's why. The best part about Amazon FBA is you send in your products to Amazon, and the FBA part stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which means they do all the work after you send them your products. That's why, in my opinion, Amazon FBA is one of the best businesses to start in 2019. Okay, great, it's one of the best businesses to start, but how do I get started? How much money does it take? How much time and effort do I need to put into this kind of business? Well, I'm going to explain that, right? And then I'm going to show you exactly what kind of products you can buy, the software you can use to make this entire business so much easier, okay? And turn this into a full-time income. So, what you need to understand, how much money does it take to start on Amazon FBA? You can start with $1. You can buy an item from a yard sale or you can buy it from a thrift store or a retail store and sell it on Amazon. For example, I recently bought a Canon camera for, I think it was like $5 from a yard sale, sold it in used condition on Amazon, okay, ended up profiting about $64. It's like $63, $64 from this one Canon camera. Okay, another thing, this item right here, this is the Anki Overdrive. This is the, I think the 52 Ice, something like that. Yeah, the X52 Ice. But this one right here, okay, I bought it from Target as a Target clearance item for $14.36. Okay, so this item right here, it sells for $50 currently on Amazon. What that means is I make about $25 profit from this one item. Okay, but how do you do this? How much time does it take? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You go into a store, it doesn't matter what the store is, you grab your phone and you scan the barcode on the back. There's so many different apps you can use, okay? And if you have questions along the way, just comment down below, let me know what your question is, I can help you out that way. But all you do, take your phone, you scan the back, okay? You use your camera, you scan the back, you scan the barcode, okay? And there's apps like, there's the Amazon Sellers app, there's I think Scoutify, Scout IQ, Profit Bandit, okay, the list goes on and on. I'm not going to name all of them, but you get the idea. There's a bunch, okay? You scan it with your app, and then on your phone it pulls up all the information. The actual sales rank, how much it's going for, okay? The category, if you can sell it or if it's restricted. There's so many things it's going to tell you. But what I want you to understand is it's a very simple business, okay? So let me explain how you can use your computer using software, and you can turn this into a full-time income. Alright guys, so here's what I want to show you, okay? Like I said, I picked this up, this Anki Overdrive, this is the X52 Ice edition. I picked this up for $14.36, you can see it right there, from Target, okay? This was a clearance item. So, this item right here, we can actually go to Target right here, and we can type in Anki Overdrive X52 Ice. See if it pops up. Okay, here it is right here. It's currently selling on Target for $59.99. Okay, I bought it for $14.36. It says as is, but this looks like it's in perfect condition. Okay, the bottom hasn't even been opened. You can see the tape; it's all still there. Okay, looks like in perfect condition. Great. Well, here's what it goes for over on Amazon, okay? I already searched it, so you don't have to sit here and watch me do it again. But this one right here sells for $49.66 currently, okay? Which means at a $14 buy cost, that means I'm going to make some money, okay? But this is not just this one product that's going to make money, okay? I bought a lot more. But here's the cool part. You can go to Target.com. Say we click on deals, and we're going to go to, let's go clearance, okay? I'm going to come down here and click on toys clearance, okay? And so you can see it right here. Here's a bunch of the toys clearance items, okay? So The reason why I want to show you this is because this is a very simple business model. We can go into an actual Target store and scan stuff, which is called retail arbitrage, or we can come to target.com and scan stuff here, which is called online arbitrage. Arbitrage simply means we are buying something to resell somewhere else, okay? And so there's so many products here that are on clearance that we could potentially buy, okay? Like this one right here, they have a bunch of these in store. Not a great item to buy. Let's say this one right here, okay? Now I have no clue, but we're gonna go and we're gonna click on this one, and all you gotta do, copy that, paste over here on Amazon, okay, and see what it's going for. Okay, you can see right here for $19.99, it's selling at Target for $12.98. I know, because I've been doing this for a while, that with the fees that Amazon charges, I'm not going to make any money, okay, from this item. No big deal. I can go back and look at a different item, okay? It's that simple, okay? So I'll go back and look at a different one. Now, before I do that, I want to show you something. There's a software out there that I use, okay? It's called Tactical Arbitrage. Now, Tactical Arbitrage is a great software. It simply allows us to put in this number right here, and it will search the entire clearance section on Target.com. Okay, here's the cool part. This doesn't cost thousands of dollars. It's a monthly fee, okay? And you pay, for online arbitrage, you pay $89. That's it, $89 to potentially make thousands, to make a full-time income selling stuff on Amazon FBA, which is a great idea, okay? It's a great business model. I highly recommend it. It's something that I do. I've been doing for years. Absolutely love it. Okay, if you want to try this out, get Tactical Arbitrage. I think you get a free 7-day trial. You can use the link down in the description box below. You can get your free trial there. Okay, let me go and show you some more. Okay, just different things. Okay, let's say I want to sell. Say I want to sell this guy. Okay, all I would do if I do not have Tactical Arbitrage is I come here, I copy that, come over to Amazon, I paste it right there. Oops. Copy that, and I paste it right here. Okay, and I hit search. Okay, so this is selling for $18.95 on Amazon. It is selling for $20 on Target. So obviously that's not a good deal. Okay, I'm not making money from that. So I'm not gonna buy that to resell because obviously there's no money to be made there. Okay, and I just keep doing this. Okay, it doesn't matter what it is. Let's say I go to this one right here. Okay, this Rocket League thing. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. It doesn't matter what the product is. I'm gonna go to it and I'm gonna, there we go. I'm gonna go to the listing. I'm gonna see about selling it. Okay, so it looks like they don't have that exact one. Okay, no big deal. Go to the next item. Okay, and you can keep doing this. You do not need the software.
Sorry.
Turn off that. So you do not need the software. Okay, I guarantee you don't need the software. The software, Tactical Arbitrage, and there's other software out there that does this. However, in my opinion, Tactical Arbitrage is by far the best. Okay, and you can go pay weekly if you want to, right there, $24.95. Okay, simple. Okay, if you want to go try it out, Use the link down in the description box below. But Tactical Arbitrage makes this the entire process so much easier than going one by one. Okay, let's say I want to sell this thing. Okay, you can. You do not need the software. I'm just telling you, you do not need the software. Okay, the software just makes everything so much easier. Okay, and a whole lot faster. So let's say this is the one I'm selling right here. For one, the rank is not very good, but let's say that's what I'm selling. Okay, it's currently selling for $94. Okay, this one I can buy it for $51.98. So there's money to be made there. Not a lot, but there is some money. Okay, the only problem I'd have with this is once you understand the sales rank, 375,000 toys and games is not the best. Okay, it's not gonna be moving that quick. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, but if you have questions on how to make money doing retail arbitrage, let me know. I'm here to help you out any way that I can. But again, Target and buying stuff like this that I found, it happens every single day. People do. It's not just me that does this. Okay, a lot of people are doing this. A lot of people are making money doing retail arbitrage, doing online arbitrage, selling stuff on Amazon FBA and on eBay. But this selling stuff on Amazon FBA can easily become a full-time income as long as you're willing to put in the work. So do you see how easy this business can be? All you have to do is walk into a store or go to a website, scan the aisles in the store, okay? Start scanning stuff with your phone and you will see that's profitable, that's not, I can sell that, I can't sell that, okay? All these questions you've had are gonna start to show up. Okay, now I get it now, I can sell that. I can make money on that. Costs $5, I can sell it for $18.99 and profit $6. Okay, you're probably wondering whoa, it costs $5, I'm gonna profit $6. Where did the other $7 go? That goes to Amazon, that's their fee. So you gotta understand, Amazon FBA has a lot of fees. However, they also sell products for more than you're gonna be able to sell it for on eBay, which means you're still gonna make a lot more money, all right? So if you guys have any questions on the Amazon FBA, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on Amazon FBA and reselling, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.